To ask for information or clarification. What is, what does, what happened. What is your name? What does this word mean? What happened at the meeting yesterday? To express a specific thing or situation. What time, what kind, what type? Do you know what time the train leaves? She told me what kind of books she likes. I wonder what type of food they serve there. To ask about a choice or option. What to do, what to say, what to eat. I don't know what to do next. I wasn't sure what to say to her. We can't decide what to eat for dinner. To express surprise or emphasis. What a? What an? What if? What a beautiful day it is. What an incredible idea. What if it rains tomorrow? To ask about a reason or cause. What for? What about? What if? He didn't say what for. He needed the documents. Do you know what about the new project? What if we tried something new to indicate a possibility or uncertainty? What if? What could? What might? What if we don't make it on time? What could be the reason for the delay? What might happen if we choose this option? Common collocations with what? What's up? What's wrong? What's going on? Hey, what's wrong with this situation? What's going on at the office today?